Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 11th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series. Can you believe Christmas is a week away next Monday and Kwanzaa's next Tuesday, the day after Christmas? OMG, it's upon us. Well, today I'm going to share with all of y'all this amazing drink, Lime Sherbet Punch. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this and be going back for seconds. And this will be a hit every year at your holiday gatherings. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my other holiday drinks recipes and my previous video, West African Jollof Rice. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your lime sherbet, your lemon lime soda, and your punch bowl sugar, because we're about to bake some lime sherbet punch magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 quart of lime sherbet, alrighty, and into our sherbet, we're going to add in 2 3/4 cup of orange pineapple juice. And now we're going to add in 4.5 cups of fresh lemon lime soda. I'm using 7-Up, or you can use Sprite or Starry. Now we're going to add in some lemons and limes. And some Maraschino Cherries. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Lime Sherbet Punch. Don't that look good and festive? And how simple and easy was that? And it's all in the dump in the bowl. Isn't that pretty? So now I'm about to pour it into my glass. And then we'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. So crisp, cool, refreshing, and the flavors are perfectly layered. Oh, this is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Lime Sherbet Punch-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Cheers! Mm-mm.